Today, morning came slow and heavy. Sunlight cut through the trees like it was late to something. Chickens get sick. That's just the way of things. But around here, we don't write things off just because they aren't standing up straight.
There's a chicken in the sink and we're trying to fix it because it's got like a problem with its butt. Oh no!
She's not that sick, but she's showing signs of distress. She's lost a lot of weight. And so I'm putting her in an Epsom salt bath.
Lily, get away.
In case
Get out
she
here.
might be egg bound, I can't tell. And then we gave her an antibiotic, and we're gonna give her some flock fixer. So when you put them in Epsom salt and warm water, it loosens their
Get out, Lily.
like their vent area, which is where an egg could potentially be stuck. So it helps them to relax their muscles and push that egg out if it is stuck. I don't think there's an egg stuck. But her crop, which is right here, which is where a chicken stores their food, feels hard. Doesn't feel that bad, so I'm just kind of massaging that area. She's just been kind of hiding out by herself, and that's not a good sign. So we're just doing all the little tricks we know to try to
How
get her
long
back.
do you think it'll take her to eat that much food?
She won't eat all that. He was just offering her
it's
food.
I was seeing.
She already took a few bites.
Hold on, I'm gonna go see what Blue did to the cow.
And she's not that sick since she tries to jump out, but you want to catch it right away before it gets worse. If they are sick, another thing you can do is take this BetRx and you can put a few drops and rub it in right underneath their wings. It's like a Vicks vapor rub, so if they're having respiratory issues, when they rest and put their head under their wings, they'll breathe that in. She's kind of...
Her name's Baldy. She goes bald in the summer.
She's really sweet. This is usually
Who is it?
our hospice sink.
Hospice, yeah.
I don't believe she's in hospice. We're trying to prevent it. We were trying to prevent her from going to hospice. If I put some food in my hand, I have that medicine on my hands, then she'll get the medicine.
Outside, the pigs were grunting like over-caffeinated linebackers. We gave them some eggs.
We all get their egg dinner. Pigs, yeah. No, you stepped on the egg. You stepped on it.
Oh no!
Look at that. Now it's done. Here, Charlotte, yeah. Scary.
They liked them, but they were snorting and snarling for their feed like a drunk uncle at a potluck.
George is a disabled duck who doesn't quit. He walks on his thighs instead of his feet.
Yeah, George walks on his ankles. A duck with bent feet and a stronger will than most men I've met. He scoots to the water like he's got business there. Drinks, dunks, blinks. Then he heads back to the coop like the job's done. Maybe it was.
can do it, George.
We're moving chicks, half-feathered misfits in their teenage molt, barnyard punks trying to figure out who they are. From the heat lamp to the fresh air, they chirp like a gospel choir. Too young to know pain.
Those white chickens that she's holding their names are the Beth Heads. Or the Beth Heads. Those chickens right there.
What are they named after?
The Goldbergs. Call it.
And then, like a twist in a folk song, the sick hen's outside. She's strutting, she's breathing, she's alive. The medicine worked. Maybe the prayers did too. We end there. Not with a bang, not with a lesson, just a chicken back on her feet, and a day that ends the way it always does, with mud on the boots and one more miracle than we deserved.